Good morning everyone. I'm going to teach you some general entries. As I want to start from beginning, I will tell you how do we make columns for general entries and how can we write the entries. Today I have written only 3 examples, as this is just the basic, just the starting. In my next video I'll come with more examples. So first you need to know how to make columns. Okay. So this is as general entries. How can we make columns for it? So as you can see, I have already made it. Date, particulars. Next one thin line you will make. There we will write LF, means ledger forward. Then debit and then credit. Okay. Now let's read the first question. Here in the question date will be mentioned already. Okay. Paid wages rupees 1000. Whenever there is a word paid in the question, you understand that cash is going from us. Paid means we have paid in either in cash or through check. If through check, then bank will be credit. It means that whenever this word is there paid, understand the credit place is fixed for cash or bank. Mostly for cash. If in the question paper you see that we have paid through a check, then credit will be bank. The credit place will be fixed for bank. If there is no information about check, then it will be cash. Then what will come in debit side? See, paid wages. Nominal account, we have read the rule. In nominal account, all the expenses and losses are debit. So here if we are paying something, it means it is expense for us. And expense is going to be debit. What is the expense here? Wages. Wages is expense for us. So the date is 1st 1/01/20. Whatever date is mentioned, you see from the question and write down. So here it will be wages account debit. Wages account debit to, and the system, how can we write for writing credit we use the word to cash. We have paid wages, so it will be to cash account. Wages account debit to cash account. So here the amount is 1000 in the debit column, again 1000 in credit column. So the first entry is done. Coming to the second entry, that is on 2nd Jan. Now the question is paid rent. What did we pay here? Rent. Rent is again expense. So rent will be debit. Rent account debit to again cash. Because we did not find the word check here. We did not pay our rent through check. So it will be to cash account. The amount is 500. Coming to the other question, third one, the last one, on 3rd Jan. The question is purchased goods for rupees 1500. Purchased goods. Now here goods means it can be anything. It can be chair, it can be table, it can be books, anything. So the product is not mentioned here. So we will write purchase as debit. It is also expense. We are buying anything means we are spending money. Purchase account debit. Purchase account debit to again cash. Because if we are buying something, we are paying cash. So to cash account. And the amount is 1500 here. 1500 and 1500. And at last we need to add it. So see the total amount, 3000 this side and 3000 this side. Both sides we will have equal amount, and you will close it with double line. You need to close it with double line. Okay. Now this is the format. How can we solve general entries question? Actually I wanted to introduce this format to you, that's why I gave only 3 questions. I'll make another video, there I'll be discussing some more questions of general entry. So must see the next video of journal entries, and you make a fair copy, write down these entries in one place and keep practicing at home. Thank you. Have a good day.